Project timelines usually start as messy sticky notes, or worse, a 20-column Excel sheet. But here's the thing, most timelines never get read because the best timelines aren't in spreadsheets at all. They're built automatically with AI. Today, I'm using Vengage's AI timeline generator to create a polished, presentation-ready timeline in just a few minutes. Whether you're planning a product launch, a client project, or just need a clear visual for your team, this tool handles all the work that you simply don't want to do. We're going to create a project planning timeline from start to finish. AI will generate the layout, handle the steps, and let us customize it to match our brand. No more manual formatting and no more confusing Gantt charts. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All you have to do is head over to venngage.com, and then we're going to navigate to the infographics tab and click timeline. And from here, we are ready to create our timeline. So let me just paste my prompt. It just says create a 6-step project timeline for a new product launch, include planning, design, development, testing, marketing prep, and final launch. Clean and professional design with a space for dates and short descriptions. Then you just click generate infographic, and Venngage begins spinning up the design. So this will take just a couple seconds. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, we got our design back. We have a full visual timeline with labeled steps, dates, and descriptions. And if you want a different style, you can just click generate infographic again until one fits your project's vibe. So now let's go ahead and customize this. The first thing I'm going to do is use autofill content to quickly drop in the specific goals and the timeline duration. There's no need to type in every single step manually. So what I'm going to do is go to AI autofill here at the top, and then I'm going to put specific context. So I said the milestones/goals are for our beta launch. The timeline should be for August 15th through September 20th. All I have to do is click autofill content, and then Venngage will begin replacing the content and putting it where it's necessary. Okay, so we're beginning to get our content back. So now you can see the title changed to beta launch milestones. We have our phase 1 for the setup, phase 2 internal Q&A, user onboarding, active testing, and then analysis. So I think this looks great. You can also see that the dates are now accurate throughout our entire timeline, beginning at August 15th, ending at September 20th. This looks great. I'm happy with it. So now I'll click customize, and this will be the updated timeline that I'll be working on. So everything's been applied, and let's add some visuals now. So for beta setup, let's go ahead and add some icons. I can generate these with AI, and I'm going to do gradient. And for beta setup, we can do a hammer icon just to indicate setup. We'll press generate. Okay, sweet, we got some back. I like this one. So I'll make this smaller, align it. And then for analysis, I can do a pencil just to indicate notes. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, make this smaller, align it. That looks great. And then for active testing, we'll put a clipboard. Great, so I got some clipboards back. I'll use this one. And these little visuals make it super easy to follow at a glance, which is perfect for presentations or for client decks too. So I'll align that. And now I have some extra visuals throughout my timeline. So now let's polish it up. I'm gonna go to the brand kit and apply our fonts, colors, and logos. We'll use Zapier for this example. I'm gonna just type in Zapier, and Venngage will automatically pull in their colors, their fonts, and their logos. I'll confirm this, and now I can shuffle throughout these palettes and apply all of these colors to my timeline. So once I land on one that I like, I can stick with that, and then I can also add logos up here. Let's actually do the dark version on top. Can put this in the middle. And so with just a couple clips, the timeline now looks like it was designed by the Zapier team. I'll also run design feedback here in the AI tools. We'll go out of here. And this will help us check alignment and spacing. It'll also suggest tweaks to make the layout balanced. So you can see it's reviewing spacing and aligning, studying design patterns, evaluating accessibility features. Okay, so I got 3 different notes back. A couple of these increased text for improved readability, improved timeline connection consistency, and consistent vertical line connections, which I have noticed as well. So you can see those. alternating description placement forces erratic eye movement, hindering sequential reading, consolidate descriptions to one side. These are all really helpful notes. I can go and apply these if I would like. I'm not going to do that now, but just so you know, that is there for you to use, especially if you don't feel confident in your design skills. This is super helpful. So now before we export this, I'm going to go to File and then go to Accessibility and check the accessibility of the page. I'm going to go ahead and run this. This is going to make sure that your timeline meets WCAG standards, so it's easy to read and accessible to everyone on your team or in your stakeholder group. So I have passed a couple of these, and then I need to review some of these. So alternative text, I don't have any of these, right? So I can add alt text to this logo. All I know to do is put Zapier logo dark, save this. So now I have alt text here. I have been checked off. Logical reading order for sighted users, the visual order of elements on the screen, right? So it gives you a good description of what it is too, if you're not familiar. For keyboard screen reader users, the reading order must be set to reflect the order in which you wish your document to be read. It's telling me that it should make sense reading left to right, right? So these are all super helpful. You can go in and address all of the issues that it picks up for you. So just know that that is there for you to use. So let's close out of this. And I think we're ready to export. So once you're ready, exporting is super simple. You just click this download button up here and you can download as a PDF, a PNG for presentations. You can share a web link with your team, or if you look here in File, you can actually save this as a template so you can reuse it for future projects. So if I have another event coming up in a couple months, I can use this exact one, change the content. I can even use the AI autofill to adjust the content as well. So in less than 5 minutes, we've gone from a plain idea to a brand consistent, presentation ready project timeline. So if you're still manually making timelines, this is your sign to stop. The AI timeline generator gets you a polished layout, smart AI content, and a fully editable design without any of the headache. I'll drop the link in the description so that you can try it for free. If you like this tutorial, make sure you hit like and subscribe to the Maker Thrive channel. We post new ways to save time with AI every single week.